decking looking a bit rubbish? If you want to bring it back to its former glory, there's more to it than finding a rusty tin of stuff that looks like it'll do. Osmo Wood Reviver Power Gel is a biodegradable wood reviver designed to restore the natural character and colour of sun and weather-damaged wood, and is perfectly suited to preparing natural wood decking ready for your chosen protection coating. First things first, clear the area you're going to be working on and give it a good sweep to get rid of all surface dirt and leaves. Next, we suggest you lightly dampen the wood. This helps with application of the power gel and allows it to travel more freely and not just soak into a small area. Osmo Wood Reviver Power Gel comes in 3 sizes: 500ml, 2.5 litre and 5 litre. We're using a 2.5 litre tub here, which does come with one of their excellent quality brushes included. This is pretty powerful stuff, so wear clothes that don't matter and a pair of gloves. The gel is ready to use. No scrabbling around in the bushes for a stick to give it a stir, and it doesn't need diluting. You can just get straight on with applying. That said, we always suggest doing a test area so you can see how the wood reacts. I know what you're thinking. Do I really have to do this scrubbing on all 4s? In my experience, this definitely worked best. It means you can give each plank a really decent going over. Yes, you can use your broom, but it doesn't do nearly as good a job. The plan is that you will generate a very satisfying mess and start to see the colour come back to the wood. Let it work its magic for 20 minutes before thoroughly rinsing off. It can be a good idea to give it a helping hand with your broom. Leave to dry for at least 48 hours. When you return to your decking, you should see a significant improvement in colour and cleanliness of the wood. And it's now ready for you to preserve and protect your hard work. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if this has been useful, and a link to Osmo's Wood Reviver Power Gel is in the description below.